Welcome to the 2017-2018 course selection process for students entering grade 11. For the first time in your school career, you will have a significant amount of choice in the classes that you can select. If you have already completed your course selection sheet prior to today, just follow along to ensure that your choices are accurate. All students who haven't completed their sheet or who did not bring in their completed form will be choosing their courses today. Once you are done your selections, you will hand in your completed form to your homeroom teacher. At a later date, you will receive a verification form listing your selections for next year. That form will need to be signed by a parent or guardian and returned to the school.
Let's begin with the mandatory courses that you must select. Please look at the top of the list of courses on the left side of your selection sheet. All students entering grade 11 must select a grade 11 English class. There are 3 options for you to choose from in grade 11 English. You can select English 11-1 if you have a great interest in English, would like to be challenged, and generally score well in this subject. It is recommended that you have a mark of 85% or higher in grade 10 English in order to select English 11-1. Both English 11-1 and English 11-2 are acceptable for those seeking admission into university. Most students will select English 11-2. The third option is English 11-3. This course is recommended for students who find English courses difficult and may need more time to complete assignments and classroom work. Some college programs accept this level of English, but universities do not. If you are unsure which English course to select, have a discussion with your English teacher. Please select a grade 11 English course now by placing an X in the box on the left-hand side of the course you are selecting.
It is now time to consider your math class or classes for next year. All students in New Brunswick must pass a minimum of 1 grade 11 math class. Students must select one of the following 2 courses: Financial and Workplace Math 11-0 or Foundations of Math 11-0. Financial and Workplace Math 11-0 can be used towards some college programs or art degrees in university, depending on the university, and usually within a liberal arts program. Students who find math difficult, or students who are not pursuing a post-secondary education in a math or science field, or certain business programs, may benefit from choosing this option. Following this course, the only grade 12 math option is Financial and Workplace Math 12-0. Foundations of Mathematics 11-0 can be used towards some college programs and some university programs. It is a prerequisite for any pre-calculus course, which is required for any university program such as science, engineering, and possibly business. Students who enjoy math or who plan on pursuing one of these fields after high school should take this course. You have an opportunity to select additional math courses when you select electives in a few moments. Take notice of the Math Pathways section at the bottom of this worksheet. It suggests your course options for you depending on what kind of math courses you want. Please select either Financial and Workplace Math 11-0 or Foundations of Mathematics 11-0 now by placing an X in the space provided to the left of the course name.
You must now choose your mandatory history course. If you've already passed Modern History 11 or are currently taking this course, then you can skip this section. For all other students, your options for Modern History are Modern History 11-2, Modern History 11-3, French Immersion Modern History 11-2. Please select one of the options now by placing an X in the box on the left-hand side of the course you are selecting.
Now, let's look at the science options. In order to graduate from a New Brunswick high school, students must have a minimum of 1 science at the grade 11 or grade 12 level. If you are quite interested in sciences and/or are considering a science degree in university, you will want to choose chemistry and at least one other grade 11 science class. It is recommended that those interested in science take all of the grade 11 science classes they want first, such as Chemistry 11, Biology 11, and/or Physics 11, and then wait until grade 12 to take the grade 12 versions of these courses. Please choose at least one science course from the list now by placing an X in the space provided on the left-hand side of the course you are selecting.
In New Brunswick, all high school students must pass one Fine Arts or Life World course in order to graduate. Please look over this list and make a decision as to which course you would like to take. Then place an X in the space provided within the box on the left-hand side of the course you desire.
Now that you've selected all of the mandatory requirements for graduation, it's time to move on to the electives. This is where you have some more choice. You are to choose as many courses as you need so that you have an opportunity to get 10 credits next year. Keep in mind that if you are a French immersion student, that you must take a total of 5 French immersion classes over the course of your grade 11 and 12 years. If you do not choose a total of 5 courses within these 2 years, then this means that you are leaving the French immersion program. In this case, you would need to seek guidance to discuss the process of leaving French immersion. BMHS offers 8 local option courses. These courses are found in the bottom right-hand corner of the selection sheet. All New Brunswick students need a minimum of 17 credits to graduate, and only 2 of these 17 can be local option courses. A student would be able to take more than 2 local options as long as they have 15 additional credits from courses that are not local options. When choosing your courses, be aware of which courses are local options and what that means for your graduation eligibility. If you did not pass or did not write the Grade 9 English Language Proficiency Exam, it is highly recommended that you take Learning Strategies 12-0. This course will assist you in your preparation for the rewrite of this mandatory exam. Remember, Grade 11 English is worth 2 credits, so you need a Grade 11 English course plus 8 other courses. Please select your elective courses now.